This is a service video which shows the steps we have used during service. In this we are showing back flush and forward flushing cleaning of filters. First, pre-filter. This arrow shows the input and output flow of the pre-filter. For back flushing, we have apply input raw water at output side. And drain the water from the input side. Like this. We have to pass water for at least 5 minutes and shake the filter for proper cleaning. After back flushing of pre-filter, now we have done forward flushing by applying input water at input side and drain water from output side for at least 5 minutes. Now coming inside machine, apply input raw water at this point. This is the input point, and switch on the unit. Now we have to flush the sediment filter first. First we have to back flush the sediment filter. Remove filters, then apply input water at the output nozzle of the sediment. Replace the input and output pipe like this. Connect input pipe at the output nozzle, and with the help of extra pipe piece, we have to drain water for at least 5 minutes. This is a back flush condition. Now we have done forward flushing. Again connect input at input side and with the help of extra pipe we have to drain water again for at least 5 minutes. This is a forward flushing. Now we have to flush activate carbon filter. Again we have apply input raw water at the output side and drain water from input nozzle of the filter. We have T at the output side of the carbon block. Now we have to block one side and apply input water at the output nozzle of the carbon filter. Now we have to flush or pass water again for at least 5 minutes for backward flushing. Now we have to flush this filter as a forward flushing. For forward flushing, apply raw water at the input side. This arrow shows the input side. Now pass the water again for 5 minutes from the output nozzle. This is a forward flushing of the filter. Now we have to done RO membrane forward flushing. For this we have to remove this rejection pipe and with help of extra pipe piece, pass the water for at least 5 minutes. Now water flushing is done for 5 minutes. This is a forward flushing of RO membrane. Now we have to remove this pipe. First switch off the unit. Now we have to remove this pipe. Connect this FRT pipe at rejection point. Like this. Now we have to flush the post carbon filter. We are going to done forward flushing of post carbon filter. For this we have to open the output pipe. Now with help of extra pipe piece, again we have to pass water for at least 5 minutes. This is the forward flushing of post carbon. After flushing of post carbon, we have to connect the tank pipe to the post carbon output. This is all about the back flush and forward flushing of filters, which we have to follow at the time of service.